In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly find the geographical coordinates of any address using OpenStreetMap's Nominatim service. Whether you need the latitude and longitude for personal projects or professional reasons, this guide will make it a breeze. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to get those coordinates precisely and quickly. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head over to nominatim.openstreetmap.org. This website is a fantastic tool for anyone needing reliable map data and is freely available for public use. Once you are on the home page, you'll notice a straightforward search box right in the middle of the screen. This search bar is where we'll enter the address for which we want to find the coordinates. Next, carefully type in the full address you're interested in into the search box. For the purposes of our example today, let's say we're searching for an address on Ayala Avenue in Makati, Philippines. Typing it accurately will ensure you get the right location pinpointed on the map. If you have an international address, remember to include the city and country for the most precise result. Once you've entered the address, hit that search button. You'll see a list of potential matches appear just below. Each search result will be accompanied by a pin on the map to visually indicate its location. This can be particularly helpful if you want to confirm visually that the result is pointing to the right spot. Now, focus on each result that appears and take note of the accompanying latitude and longitude values. These are presented in decimal format and are key to what we're looking for, the exact geographic coordinates of your desired address. Once you've identified the correct result, let's move on to copying those coordinates. You'll see something similar to this: latitude 14.5566 and longitude 121.0216. Simply highlight these numbers and copy them. This is the data that translates to a specific point on the Earth's surface. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved and copied the coordinates for your chosen address. Whether you need them for a GPS device, a mapping application, or any other purpose, you've got what you need. Remember, Nominatim on OpenStreetMap is a robust tool, so feel free to explore further if you have multiple addresses to find or different types of geographical data to gather. Thanks for watching, and happy coordinate hunting!